I enrolled in an online business degree program at campus.edu, and here's what they sent me for free. The packaging is super cool and clean, and when you open your campus gearbox, boom, a free new laptop. Everyone in the online business program can get one. They're super lightweight and perfect for class. I also got campus swag I would actually wear, like this campus hat and shirt. Honestly though, I saw some ads from campus with real students talking about how everyone could get a free laptop. I honestly thought that it was too good to be true, but it is. Seriously, I love that campus sends you everything you need before classes start. I was able to log into campus super easily to check out where all my online classes would take place. Fun fact, the campus online business degree program also has faculty that teach at top-ranked colleges across the country, like Princeton, Brown, UCLA, UT Austin, Spelman, and more. Choosing where to start my college career was a huge decision for me. I was scared of the cost, but campus is super affordable and they've been so supportive from day one. I really do feel like they've got my back. I'm sharing this because campus is really more than an online school. It's a community that cares about each of us, and I'm super excited to earn my degree with them.